another unboxing video. Hope you enjoy.
What's up, guys?